Hello, wonderful English learners. It's Sophia from the English with Sophia YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore the changing seasons in America. Dear friends, your support means the world to us. Share, engage, and subscribe to the channel. Your encouragement fills us with joy. The United States experiences 4 distinct seasons throughout the year, each with its own special characteristics. Let's learn about these seasons together. What are seasons? Before we start, let's understand what seasons are. Seasons are different times of the year with different weather. There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, or autumn, and winter. Each season lasts about 3 months. The weather and nature change with each season. Now let's explore each season in America. Spring, the season of new beginnings. Spring is the first season we'll talk about. 1. When is spring? Spring is from March to May. Days start to get longer and warmer. 2. Weather in spring. It gets warmer, but it can still be cool some days. There's often rain, which helps plants grow. People say April showers bring May flowers. 3. Nature in spring. Trees grow new leaves. Flowers start to bloom. Many baby animals are born. 4. Spring activities. People start to spend more time outside. Many people plant gardens. Some schools have a spring break holiday. 5. Spring clothes. People wear lighter jackets. Rain boots are common. Clothes are often bright and colorful. Summer, the warm and sunny season. After spring comes summer. 1. When is summer? Summer is from June to August. These are usually the hottest months of the year. 2. Weather in summer. It's usually hot and sunny. Some places have thunderstorms. Days are long and nights are short. 3. Nature in summer. Trees are full of green leaves. Many fruits and vegetables are ready to eat. Flowers are in full bloom. 4. Summer activities. Many people go to the beach or swimming pools. Families have barbecues and picnics. Children are on summer vacation from school. 5. Summer clothes. People wear light, cool clothes like shorts and t-shirts. Sunglasses and hats protect from the strong sun. Sandals are popular summer shoes. Fall, autumn. The season of change. After the heat of summer comes fall. 1. When is fall? Fall is from September to November. Days start to get shorter and cooler. 2. Weather in fall. It gets cooler, especially at night. There's often a cool breeze. Some days are sunny, others are cloudy. 3. Nature in fall. Leaves on trees change color to red, orange, and yellow. Leaves fall from the trees. Some animals prepare for winter. 4. Fall activities. People go to orchards to pick apples. Many schools start a new year in fall. Some people carve pumpkins for decoration. 5. Fall clothes. People start to wear warmer clothes like sweaters. Boots become popular again. Clothes are often in warm colors like red and orange. Winter, the cold and snowy season. The last season of the year is winter. 1. When is winter? Winter is from December to February. These are usually the coldest months. 2. Weather in winter. It's cold and in many places it snows. Days are short and nights are long. Some days can be very windy. 3. Nature in winter. Many trees lose all their leaves. Some animals hibernate, sleep for the winter. In snowy areas, the ground is covered in white. 4. Winter activities. People go skiing or snowboarding. Children often build snowmen or have snowball fights. Many people celebrate holidays like New Year's Day. 5. Winter clothes. People wear warm, heavy clothes. Coats, gloves, hats, and scarves are important. Boots help keep feet warm and dry in snow. How seasons affect daily life. The changing seasons affect how people live. 1. Food. People eat different foods in different seasons. In summer, cold foods like ice cream are popular. In winter, people enjoy hot soups and warm drinks. 2. Activities. In warm seasons, people do more things outside. In cold seasons, indoor activities are more common. 3. Travel. Many people take vacations in summer. Some people travel in winter to escape the cold. 4. Work and school. School usually starts in fall and ends in late spring. Some jobs, like construction, are busier in warm seasons. 5. Energy use. In summer, people use air conditioning to stay cool. In winter, heating systems keep homes warm. Seasonal celebrations. Each season has special celebrations. 1. Spring. Easter is a popular spring holiday. Many places have spring festivals to celebrate flowers. 2. Summer. The 4th of July, Independence Day, is a big summer holiday. Many towns have summer fairs and carnivals. 3. Fall. Thanksgiving is an important fall holiday. Many schools have fall festivals. 4. Winter. Many people celebrate holidays in December. New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. Welcome the new year. Preparing for each season. People prepare differently for each season. 1. Spring preparation. Cleaning homes, called spring cleaning. Planting gardens, putting away winter clothes. 2. Summer preparation. Getting air conditioners ready. Planning summer vacations. Buying summer clothes and sunscreen. 3. Fall preparation. Raking fallen leaves. Getting warmer clothes out. Preparing homes for colder weather. 4. Winter preparation. Checking heating systems. Buying warm clothes and boots. In snowy areas, getting snow shovels ready. Seasons in different parts of America. The seasons are not the same everywhere in America. 1. Northern states have colder winters with more snow. Summers are usually mild. 2. Southern states have warmer winters with little or no snow. Summers can be very hot. 3. Western states. Some areas don't have 4 distinct seasons. Places like California have mild weather year-round. 4. Alaska has very long cold winters. Summers are short with very long days. 5. Hawaii doesn't have 4 seasons like the mainland. The weather is warm all year. Learning English through seasons. The changing seasons are a great way to learn English. 1. Vocabulary. Learn words for weather, clothes, and activities. Practice describing colors and nature. 2. Conversations. Talk about the weather, a common topic in English. Discuss seasonal activities you enjoy. 3. Reading. Read about seasonal events and festivals. Look at weather forecasts in English. 4. Writing. Describe your favorite season. Write about how the seasons change where you live. Conclusion. The changing seasons in America bring variety to the year. Each season has its own beauty and activities. Understanding the seasons can help you know what to expect if you visit or live in the United States. Remember, talking about the seasons and weather is very common in English conversations. It's a great way to practice your language skills and connect with others. I hope this lesson has helped you learn about the seasons in America. Keep practicing your English, and maybe you can describe the seasons where you live. Until next time, this is Sophia from English with Sophia, saying goodbye, and enjoy the seasons. Important vocabulary for A1 learners. Here are some keywords from this lesson that are great for A1 English learners. 1. Season, noun. A time of year with particular weather patterns. 2. Spring, noun. The season between winter and summer. 3. Summer, noun. The warmest season of the year. 4. Fall-autumn, noun. The season between summer and winter. 5. Winter, noun. The coldest season of the year. 6. Weather, noun. The state of the air and atmosphere. 7. Hot, adjective. Having a high temperature. 8. Cold, adjective. Having a low temperature. 9. Rain, noun, verb. Water falling from the sky. 10. Snow, noun, verb. Soft white pieces of frozen water that fall from the sky. 11. Sunny, adjective. Having a lot of light from the sun. 12. Cloudy, adjective. When the sky is covered with clouds. 13. Leaf leaves, noun. The green parts of a plant or tree. 14. Flower, noun. The colorful part of a plant. 15. Clothes, noun. Things people wear to cover their body. Remember to practice these words when talking about seasons and weather. Good luck with your English learning journey.